progress continues at Eureka Stadium, with not only the western stand roof structure being almost complete, but a lot of the less visible work is also well underway. We thought it would be interesting to share how the project and especially the roof structures have been engineered to withstand the forces of nature and human impact.
What we have in Eureka is a cantilevered stadium roof. It is an integral part of the seating and also the external facade. So it's a three-dimensional structure that comes together to resist the forces that act on it, mainly wind and earthquake. In terms of the distribution of the loads to the trusses and to the main supporting members is via, really it's a simplistic metal deck roof that you would find in a warehouse or elsewhere. It's basically a series of cantilevers with infill framing in between to create the form, and the main feature is the curved arch that forms the main members. It comes with a lot of challenges in that it's how do we ground the load from the cantilever back down into the ground, and so it's an interesting process on this particular stadium is where we're using the actual seating structure to stabilise and ground the structure. It actually works in a 3D form, and the forces are all interrelated between the curved roof, the seating members, and the structural steelwork underneath. Well, in terms of the budget, I mean, we all knew that the budget was going to be tight, and the team was well aware of it. So it was important that we came up with an efficient, cost-effective structure. So we tried to use as much standard form materials that's available to us from a structural perspective, and we tried to simplify the whole geometry of the structure so it became efficient. If your scale is too big, then it may not be appeasing architecturally. So there's a balance between what we can achieve from a structural perspective and an economical design. And then we've had the third element where the builder has come in and then reviewed the structure and made suggestions for improvements or modifications. So it's been a three-pronged approach, a lengthy process in terms of time and effort to make sure that we can get the project on budget and where it needs to be for the city of Ballarat.
In the next video, we meet with the steel manufacturers who created the structural elements of the stadium, together with another update on the progress of Eureka Stadium, Ballarat.